Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do the next question of our agriculture optional answer writing practice series. जो हमारी agriculture optional answer writing practice series चल रही है उसके next question को आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं. And today's question is enumerate the production technology job sweet corn and baby corn which are different from normal veg cultivation. जो स्वीट कॉर्न होता है बेबी कॉर्न होता है जो कि नॉर्मल मेज से डिफरेंट होता है. What are the production technologies? How can we produce? What are the package of production procedures? They can write different things here. Cultivation process, in just cultivation process, package of practices, प्रोडक्शन टेक्नोलॉजी ऑल मीन सेम. सबका मतलब सेम है. अगर वहां पे ये प्रोडक्शन टेक्नोलॉजी की जगह पैकेज ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस भी रखते हैं, कल्टीवेशन प्रैक्टिसेस भी रखते हैं, तो सब सिमिलर ही वर्ड्स हैं. तो आपको बस ध्यान रखना ये कि जब भी ऐसे वर्ड्स का यूज हो तो आपको ये आंसर में यू हैव टू गिव द आंसर अबाउट हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस, हाउ टू कल्टीवेट sweet corn and baby corn, what are its production technologies which are different from normal maize cultivation. So we will see how to approach this answer. As we all know that normal maize, or you can say normal corn, is of different types. First one is the sweet corn, second one is the baby corn, third one is the popcorn, and the last one is the normal corn, which are generally used for bread making, other things which are normal corn, that is which have not been developed for any specific purposes. They are normal corn. And other types such as sweet corn, baby corn, popcorn, these are for specific ones. Such as popcorn is generally used for making pop. Baby corn, you will see small, it is a kind of a small type of corn which is very much sweet corn. This is different. So these are the kinds of corn, and today we have to discuss the production technology of sweet corn and baby corn. So let's see how we approach this answer. So first of all, the variety. When it comes to variety, the most common variety of baby corn is COBC1. It is the most common variety of baby corn. When it comes to sweet corn, the most common varieties are Madhuri, Priya, Almora. So these are the common varieties of sweet corn. So I hope you are able to understand the common varieties of baby corn and common varieties of sweet corn. Now let's see soil. The soil requirement for its production. Generally, sweet corn and baby corn are commercial varieties, so they can be grown in different kinds of soil. But just we need to keep in mind that the soil should be well drained and the pH of the soil should be around 6 to 7. 6 to 7. This is the ideal condition for growing sweet corn and baby corn, and we doesn't require a specific type of soil, either alluvial, black, loamy. Although loamy soil is good for its cultivation, but if we don't have loamy soil, but still we have, if the soil is well drained, the pH is around 6 to 7, we can grow sweet corn and baby corn nicely, and that is why you will see that sweet corn and baby corn can be easily grown around the cities, because these are commercial varieties, and that is why a kind of specific soil is not required. But we have to keep in mind the soil should be well drained and the pH should be around 6 to 7. Now comes to season, which season we can grow. Generally these two are grown in when, if you have irrigation, when we have facilities of irrigation, then we can grow it throughout the year. These can be grown throughout the year with irrigation facilities. If we have certain amount of irrigation facility, certainly they can be grown throughout the year. That is why I am calling these two commercial varieties, because they are developed like this, that they can be fully exploited with not having some certain kind of specific conditions. So with irrigation they can't be grown throughout the year. And if we have not irrigation, if we don't have irrigation and the conditions are rain fed, then still they can be grown from June to July in, I think, Rabi season, and sorry, for Kharif season they can be sown in around June to July, and for Rabi season they can be sown in September, October. So these are the two seasons in rain-fed condition, that is with rainfall. But when irrigation is present, it can be grown throughout the year. Now let's move to seed rate. Of both the varieties, that is sweet corn and baby corn, around 20 to 25 kg per hectare. certain difference is there, but I think you have to not go that much specific. If you write in your answers that the seed rate is around 20 to 25 kg per hectare, that will be enough. Now field preparation, we have to keep in mind that our field should be well drained first of all, and that the field should be fine tilled. That is, when we do the tillage, we will keep in mind that the tilth is fine. Okay, so tillage is requirement here. We need to have a good tillage, and we have to form ridges and furrows. We need to form ridges and furrows. Forming ridges and furrows can help its production nicely, and we will able to grow more. And the spacing should be kept around 25 to 25 into 45 centimeter. That is, difference between two crops should be around 25 centimeter and two rows should be around 45 centimeter. Similarly, you can also grow in 30 into 30 centimeter. If you are not remembering anything, just keep in mind around 30 into 30 centimeter. The difference would be around 30 into 30 centimeter. 25 into 45 centimeter is specific, but if we use 30 into 30 centimeter, it will be also working. Okay, इसमें भी काम चल जाएगा हमारा. सो अगर आपको ध्यान ना रहे तो 30 into 30 सेंटीमीटर ध्यान रखना है. अगर आप स्पेसिफिक जाना चाहते हैं तो 25 into 45 सेंटीमीटर और 45 into 25 सेंटीमीटर you can go. So this is about field preparation. Now it comes to irrigation. So first irrigation should be given after sowing. First irrigation just after sowing. First irrigation just after sowing, and later irrigation should be given in the interval of 10 days. Later at interval of 10 days. मतलब पहला irrigation आप sowing जैसे ही आपने sow किया तब आप डाल दोगे, उसका हर एक 10-10 दिन के interval पे आप next irrigations को डालते रहोगे. So this is about irrigation. Now let's move to nutrient management, that is fertilizers, or you can write nutrient management, and that is nutrient management. We can apply here farmyard manure at around 12.5 ton per hectare. NPK should be applied, that should be around nitrogen 75 kg, phosphorus 20 kg, sorry, phosphorus 60 kg, and potassium 20 kg. And P and K. This is for N, this is for P, and this is for K. So nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus should be used in this ratio, that is 75, 60, and 20 kg. ठीक है. And we will also keep in mind कि एक ही बार हम लोग इस सारे को नहीं डालेंगे. We will split our fertilizer. We will apply in split doses. जैसे कि first अगर हम लोग मान के चलो कि 20 kg while sowing दिया, then after 15-20 days के बाद फिर हम लोग नेक्स्ट स्प्लिट में 20 kg डालेंगे, तो 75 kg in 3 to 4 splits we have to give, okay, for nitrogen, and same is for phosphorus and potassium also. But especially we keep in mind, because we are applying nitrogen in heavy amount, so applying in split doses is very useful. So this was about fertilizer management. Then after after these things, after 15 days of sowing, we have to keep in mind, after 15 days of sowing we have to do first weeding. After 15 days of sowing, when the weeds will start growing also, so we have to do first weeding. After 25 days, after 25 days of sowing, we will do earthing up and top dressing. Earthing up and top dressing after 25 days. And after 40 to 45 days, we will do detasseling, which is very important for any kind of corn variety. So after 40 to 45 days, detasseling should be done. So these are the things we need to do. So I hope you are able to understand this. Let me rub some part of it. So I hope you understand nutrient management. And what we will do, after 15 days we will do first weeding, after 25 days we will do earthing up and top dressing, and after 40 to 45 days we will do detasseling. For plant protection, we can use basal application of carbofurum. We can use carbofurum. That should be applied for plant production, so that our plant is not affected from any pests or other things. So carbofurum can be applied for plant production. And when it comes to yield, the yield of the corn will be around 6,000 kg per hectare, around 5 to 6,000 kg per hectare for both the ones, for sweet corn also and for baby corn also. and it also will yield some green fodder, because after harvesting the corn, suppose this is the corn plant, these are the corns, after harvesting the corn we will also get this green fodder. So this green fodder should be also around 30 to 40 tons per hectare. 30 to 40 ton of per hectare green fodder can, you can get green fodder, and this green fodder can be used for various purposes, for animal feed, etc., etc. So this is about yield. So I hope you understand the production technologies of both sweet corn and baby corn, which kind of soil we will use, what are the varieties, which season, what are fertilizer requirement or nutrient management, seed rate. So these are the things if you mention. This question was asked in 8 marks in IFS examination. I must say here, this was asked in agriculture of optional paper of IFS examination in 2023 in 8 marker. And it, in UPSC, if you will ask similar questions, they will give you in 10 marker, maximum 10 marker. Okay, so for 10 marking, if you write these points, then it will be enough and you will fetch good marks. So I hope you are able to understand all these things. So that is all for today. Please do like, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis. And if you like, share, subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you on regular basis. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Keep writing answers. Thank you.